Hello and welcome to Hearing Healthcare Centre. Today we're going to be showing you how to insert a behind the ear hearing aid, otherwise known as a BTE. In terms of identifying, a behind the ear hearing aid, as the name suggests, is designed to sit behind the ear and connect via a tube to an ear mold which is inserted into the ear. The size of a BTE hearing aid can vary significantly, as the power of a BTE often makes a difference to the size. When it comes to inserting, techniques for insertion can vary. Our favoured method of inserting a BTE is as follows. It is often easier to insert the ear mold first. Hold the back edge of the ear mold between your thumb and forefinger. Ensure the tube which protrudes from the ear mold is pointing vertically upwards. Without twisting or rotating your wrist, bring the ear mold up beside your ear. Then, slide the mold backwards until the tip of the ear mold lines up with your ear canal. Insert the tip into your ear canal. Then, rotate the ear mold slightly backwards. Then rock forward to insert. Ensure the top of the ear mold goes under the fold of skin at the top of your ear, otherwise known as the helix. Then, use your index finger to fully insert the ear mold. Finally, lift the hearing aid over and behind your ear. The hearing aid should sit comfortably and flush against your ear. Use your right hand to insert your right hearing aid and vice versa. That's just about all there is to inserting a BTE hearing aid. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and for more helpful audiological content, don't forget to subscribe.